Shiba Inu takes the top spot among the leading ERC20 tokens despite the latest fall in price. The whales are securing the most out of the Shiba Inu dip by adding more and more SHIB tokens to their portfolio. Shiba Inu is the most purchased crypto by whales, surpassing Ethereum, Bitcoin and other crypto lead coins. How many tokens each whale is securing? Why whales are adding more SHIB tokens? What is coming next? These questions will be answered today. We will also analyze if this is a good time to invest in Shiba Inu coin or not. So, stick around for that because today's video is full of upcoming SHIB updates. Hi SHIB lovers. Welcome to Finance Bro. We will give away $200 for you to 3 random subscribers so that you can purchase your favorite cryptocurrencies. Everyone wants to get good profits in the last quarter of this year. Many of us already got enough profit from Shiba Inu in October and the second quarter of 2021 and mainly in August month. Still, many SHIB holders are holding millions of tokens expecting that Shiba Inu will cut a few zeros out from its price and will give good returns. If you are one of those holders or planning to buy Shiba Inu dips, then this videos is for you. According to Watcher Guru, the recent pullback of Shiba Inu meme token might have inflated concerns in some trading communities, but the large cryptocurrency market professionals, also known as whales, do not seem to be worried about the recent price action. On an average, individual whales have picked up 20 billion SHIB coins in the last 7 days. The token remains to be an arbitrary king in the whale community. Ethereum is securing the rank of the second most loved crypto in the whale community. SHIB has taken the top spot for close to a month, and its whale dominance is increasing by the day. This news has been reported by Whalestat through a tweet. As you can see, Shiba Inu is the most loved and purchased crypto by whales, ranking number 1 on the list. Each whale on average has purchased over 20 billion SHIB tokens worth $1.1 million. But, the major question is, why whales are buying more and more even in this downtrend of Shiba Inu price? To understand this, let's check the history of purchases done in this month and the amount associated to each. During the first week of November, it was reported that a mysterious whale purchased around $750 million worth of SHIB coins in 10 days. The whale religiously filled his wallet from October end to the first week of November and purchased SHIB 7 different times. However, the identity of the whale remains to be a secret. It is not known if the buyer is an individual, trading platform, or business entity. Anyway, the identity of the whale is not confirmed and the transaction remains unidentified. What are your thoughts about these massive purchases by whales? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also, during the first week of November, an anonymous whale purchased 40 trillion SHIB coins worth $2.78 billion to 4 different wallets. The wallets in question have no previous history of transactions and the transactions were all new. Moving further, a few days ago a mysterious whale transferred 20 trillion SHIB tokens worth $1.1 billion. This is somehow the biggest whale movement across Shiba Inu in 2021. To be specific, the whale transferred over 20 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from Crypto.com and moved it to an anonymous wallet address. The interesting fact is, even the best of whale watchers were unable to trace the wallet address where the tokens were moved to. The increasing number of whales is usually considered a good sign for an asset since large traders and crypto investors are the ones who control prices on the market and can change the direction of the price trend. Every Shiba Inu holder is waiting for SHIB to hit 1 cent or cut few zeros out of its price. But the fact is that hitting 1 cent with 1 quadrillion token supply of SHIB is impossible. Even whole world's economy cannot help Shiba Inu to hit 1 cent. Does this mean that SHIB will never hit 1 cent? No, it is difficult but not impossible. What if we reduce the token supply and burn massive tokens? Well, in that way it is possible to cut few zeros out of its price or even hit 1 cent. The process of removing tokens out of the circulating supply by sending tokens to a dead wallet address is known as the burning process. Developers of the Shiba Inu ecosystem are aware of these massive supply problems and introduced many burn projects to date. Recently, we got an update from Shitoshi, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, about another massive burn project. The hint of this upcoming project is shared on Twitter by a SHIB army member. This was a Discord screenshot from Shitoshi Kusama, and when one SHIB army member asked him about next project, Shitoshi replied that it is something related to Shiboshi's perspective and gaming related. To be specific, it will be a NFT game something like Axie Infinity. He also shared that his concepts are coming in this last quarter of 2021. But currently he is working on a project related to burn SHIB tokens, specifically to reduce the token supply. What can a SHIB holder expect in 2021? Will the price go up or fall down? Let's continue and analyze Shiba Inu price prediction for Shiba Inu in this last quarter of 2021. What can a SHIB holder expect in 2021? Will the price go up or fall down? Is this good time to buy the dips? Let's continue and analyze Shiba Inu's price prediction for Shiba Inu in this last quarter of 2021. Almost every crypto experts and analysts are bullish toward Shiba Inu, not just because of Shiba Inu hype on social media, but due to the upcoming Robinhood listing and developers projects like NFT Gaming, Play to Earn, Own Blockchain and Ryoshi Token, that all too in this last quarter. According to our prediction, Shiba Inu can easily cut a few zeros out of its price with a Robinhood listing and will hit 1,000 Satoshi units easily. As burn process will take time, but it is confirmed that SHIB is going to bounce soon in this quarter. Once this burn executes, the price of Shiba Inu will increase exponentially. So should I hold or sell the tokens? This question is hitting everyone's mind as all of us are on profit. However, we all know that the Shiba Inu developer team is going to reveal their own blockchain Shibarium, new family tokens, NFT-based game with multiplayer capabilities like Axie Infinity. More catalysts or automatic burning systems and listing on Robinhood. So, according to us, the price will not stop in this last quarter and will raise more. If you are planning to sell, you are still on huge profits. But major price boosting catalysts are all set to arrive in days or weeks. So hold tight. Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell SHIB for the next 5 years and holding millions of them because they believe the Shiba Inu developers and real-world value of SHIB. How many you guys are holding? Don't forget to list your SHIB holdings in the comment section below. Before ending this, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.